What is a smart contract in blockchain and how does it works? Contracts regulate most aspects of our professional and personal lives, and they are essential to the functioning of modern society. In blockchain, smart contracts play a very essential role. It helps to make the transaction taking place more safe and secure and function in an organized manner. And not just that, it helps other components like applications running on this platform be even more accessible. But what is a smart contract? What is smart contract? Smart contracts are self-executing contracts in which the contents of buyer-seller agreement are inscribed directly into lines of code. According to Nick Szabo, an American computer scientist who devised a virtual currency called BitGold in 1998, smart contracts are computerized transaction protocols that execute contract conditions. Using it makes the transaction traceable, transparent, and irreversible. Benefits of smart contract: accuracy, speed, and efficiency. The contract is immediately executed when a condition is met. Because smart contracts are digital and automated, there is no paperwork to deal with, and no time was spent correcting errors that occur when filling out documentation by hand. Trust and transparency. There is no need to worry about information being tampered with for personal gain because there is no third party engaged and encrypted transaction logs are exchanged among participants. Security. Also, because blockchain transaction records are encrypted, they are extremely difficult to hack. Furthermore, because each entry on distributed ledger is linked to entries before after it, hackers would have to change the entire chain to change a single record. Savings. Smart contracts eliminate the need for intermediates to conduct transactions as well as the time delays and fees that comes with them. How do smart contract works? A smart contract is a sort of program that encodes business logic and operates on a dedicated virtual machine embedded in blockchain or other described ledger. Step 1. Business teams collaborate with the developers to define their criteria for the smart contract's desired behavior in response to certain events or circumstances. Step 2. Conditions such as payment authorization, shipment receipt, or utility matter rating threshold are examples of simple events. Step 3. More complex operations such as determining the value of derivative financial instrument or automatically releasing an insurance payment may be encoded using more sophisticated logic. The developers then use a smart contract writing platform to create and test the logic. After the application is written, it's sent to a separate team for security test. Step 5. An internal expert or a company that specializes in writing smart contract security could be used. The contract is often deployed on an exciting blockchain or other distributed ledger infrastructure once it has been authorized. Step 7. The smart contract is configured to listen for event updates from an oracle, which is efficiently a cryptographically secure streaming data source once it has been deployed. Once it obtains the necessary combination of events from one or more oracles, the smart contract executes. Smart contracts and flight insurance. So let's consider a real-life scenario in which smart contracts are used. For example, Rachel is at the airport and her flight is delayed. XA, an infrastructure company, provides flight delay insurance utilizing Ethereum smart contracts. This insurance compensates Rachel in such a case. How? The smart contract is linked to the database recording flight status. The smart contract is created based on terms and conditions. The condition set for the insurance policy is a delay of 2 hours or more. Based on the code, the smart contract holds XR's money until the certain condition is met. The smart contract is submitted to the nodes on EMV runtime compiler to execute the smart contract code for evaluation. All the nodes on the network executing the code must come to the same result. That result is recognized on the distributed ledger. If the fly is delayed in excess of 2 hours, the smart contract self-executes and Rachel is compensated. Smart contracts are immutable. No one may alter the agreement. So, blockchain is the underlying technology enabling the growth of smart contracts. Also, it was designed for developers who want to cheaper the global craze surrounding blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrencies. You will learn the more core structure and technical mechanism of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and multi-chain blockchain platforms. Simply Learn will provide the latest tools to build blockchain applications, set up your private blockchain, deploy smart contracts on Ethereum, and gain practical experience with a real-world project. So, hope you linked this video on what is a smart contract. In case of any doubts, please ask your questions in the comment section below. So, thank you for watching. Goodbye.